Hi, this is Hammad, Yusuf, and Ravi recording for the power electronic simulation. We are going to simulate triangular wave generator using 741 op-amp.
We are going to show you how we can simulate this triangular wave generator using multisim. First we will place the components. In this experiment we require resistor, capacitor and two op amps. We can get the components from this. We need source. We are going to use the 741 op amp. For this experiment we want two resistors of 10 kilo ohms each and one resistor of 33 kilo ohms. So we will enter the required value here in the component 33k. Another two we want of each of 10k. We can use control R function to rotate the resistor. Now we want capacitor. Our value should be 0.047 microfarad. So it is already given there. We'll just select OK. Now we want VCC and VE for the op amps. We'll select VCC and press OK. Plus VCC should be connected to pin number 7 to each of the op amps. So we'll select one more time. We want my VE also. We will rotate this and they should be connected to pin number 4. Now we are going to provide the digital ground. For the first op amp we are going to provide the digital ground to pin number 2. And for the second one we are going to provide the digital ground for the pin number 3. Now we just require to connect the wires or the connecting leads between the pins. They should be connected to the pin number 2 of the second op amp. Now we are connecting the capacitor in the feedback path of the second op amp. Output from the first op amp is fed to the input non-inverting terminal of the second op amp. Oh yeah, sorry, inverting terminal. The input should be plus 12 volts and minus 12 volts. So we'll change this value. Same goes for this also.
We now have to add the oscilloscopes. We need only one oscilloscope. You can find the shortcut for the oscilloscope here. You can add it here. Okay, we need one of the output here, so we can join A to this point, right? And we can provide to know the output from the second op amp. We can connect it here, right? We need to short A and B and give it to the ground. Alright, we now have done the circuit connection. We now have to make, we now have to simulate it. We now have to simulate, and this is the oscilloscope, this is the play button for running the simulation. We'll press it, and then we can press the oscilloscope. And we can see the square wave as well as the triangular. The square wave are the 2 points of the output, the square and the triangular wave. At the output of the second op amp is the output of the second op amp is a triangular wave, which we can see here, and the output of the first op amp is the square wave, as we can see here. If we want to, we need to change the scale. We can change it any point. As you can see, if you want to extend it or want to decrease the time width, we can also change the scale of the vertical scale. Okay, and this is how we can get a triangular wave generator. Thank you for joining us, and goodbye. It's me and Hammad, Yusuf and Ravi signing off.
Thank you.
Thank you.